On October 3rd, 2024, Trooper Tree Davis observed a black Harley-Davidson pass him at an extremely high rate of speed and immediately activated his emergency lights and sirens, initiating a pursuit.
One time.
After several minutes of the high-speed chase, another officer joined the pursuit, adding support as the rider continued fleeing at dangerous speeds.
George 30 west, 42 right now, coming up from the Gallon Avenue. Continuing 30 west. He can't corner very well. He keeps swerving every time he turns. Roosevelt.
I got a fix it. It's gonna be on the old black bill.
Keep him off Roosevelt if you can. Roosevelt. He's wrong. Speed's 93. Traffic light. Looks like we're going towards 440. Coming up on the south interchange right now. Please 85. We're gonna be continuing 30 west. Yeah.
17. He slows down again.
I'll have, if you get front on the west side. He's wobbling pretty hard. 103 is the speed right now. Traffic's still light.
The pursuit moved onto the highway, where the rider drove with extreme recklessness, speeding at high rates and dangerously passing other motorists despite the limited nighttime visibility.
We're going the wrong way towards University. Notify LAPD. We're going to be northbound University. University on the wrong way, coming up with you there.
One car, he's on the left. They're on the left, Y'all back off just a little bit. I'm gonna need him right here.
After nearly 15 minutes of pursuit, Trooper Trey Davis finally closed the gap and blocked the rider's path, causing the motorcycle to go down. The rider attempted to flee on foot but was quickly caught and taken into custody, proving once again that there's no escaping Trooper Trey Davis once he's locked in. On Thursday, May 16, 2024, while monitoring traffic on Interstate 430 North near the 8-mile marker, Trooper Trey Davis spotted a black motorcycle make a sudden, unsafe move toward the Exit 8 ramp without signaling. As he attempted to stop the rider, the motorcycle darted back into traffic and took off, leading Trooper Davis onto Rodney Parham Road in a pursuit that quickly escalated to speeds near 95 miles per hour.
Photo on 2 designated 363 for Adam 14-1037. Reverse no traffic, non-routine.
Speeds are down to 50. Coming up to Treasure Hill.
10-4, approaching Treasure Hill, 915.
As the pursuit approached Treasure Hill Drive, the rider slowed, reached into his pocket, crossed into oncoming lanes, and attempted a turn before striking a curb and being thrown from the motorcycle. The rider, identified as Adam Vaughn, was taken into custody without further incident. He later admitted he fled due to fear and possession of narcotics, and a search recovered 2 baggies containing a white crystalline substance and a brown powdery substance. On Thursday, November 27, 2025, Trooper Trey Davis clocked a white Toyota Camry at 90 miles per hour in a 65 zone on Interstate 430. When a traffic stop was attempted, the driver fled, accelerating to speeds near 120 miles per hour and initiating a pursuit.
Just before the exit, this is a tractor trailer, no description.
Good night, Jim.
Adam 32,
or 1016.
Trooper Davis ended the chase with a pit maneuver, sending the Camry off the roadway, where it struck trees and overturned. The driver, Talon Bizzle, was found unrestrained and briefly unresponsive before being transported to the hospital. Signs of impairment were observed, along with an open container of alcohol, no valid license, no insurance, and an unregistered vehicle. After a blood draw, Bizzle was cleared and booked into the Pulaski County Regional Detention Center.